You're watching Headlights After Dark, where we shine a spotlight on what's making the true crime headlines. This installment, we're covering case updates on the trial of Erin Patterson, an Australian mom who served death cap mushroom laced beef Wellington to her lunch guests. The trial has been in progress for weeks, and the story relating to the lunch that took place on 28 July 2023 is coming into clearer focus as the Crown, or the state as some of us may know it, lays out its case. So far, the following facts have been testified to. As soon as Heather and Ian returned from the lunch, they experienced severe vomiting and diarrhea, which lasted all night. When their symptoms continued the next day, they were taken by Erin's husband, Simon, to Leongatha Hospital, where his own parents, Don and Gail, had already been admitted due to having the same symptoms. The hospital diagnosed them with suspected mushroom poisoning and said the situation was serious. Erin reported symptoms of gastroenteritis the day after the lunch and not being well enough to go to church. She made her way to the hospital days after the lunch, and when she got there, she only stayed for 5 minutes. Doctors told her she too may have been subjected to mushroom poisoning and was so concerned for her health that they called police in an attempt to track her down and bring her back to the hospital. She returned willingly to the hospital, and the police were called off. Nurses reported she was able to sit up and didn't look as unwell as her lunch guests. When Erin revealed she had fed her children leftovers from the lunch, doctors expressed concern and asked her to bring them in for testing. But Erin said the kids couldn't have been exposed to the poison as they didn't like mushrooms, so she had made sure to scrape them all off before making servings for them. When the hospital insisted she bring the kids in for testing, she delayed due to concerns about interrupting their schedule, but eventually testing was done and the children were found to be in good health. Was this all a tragic accident? I'll see you next time.